Four Fingers in City Mall. Everything is here.
We have a
In this ice box.
we have a picnic.
Yeah, cooler box or whatever you want to call it. And then we have 2-in-1 hot pot and barbecue grill. Why you panjat the car? Can you get down, please? All right, let's close this.
That's what it's called.
Whoa. We're making a pit stop at Pekan Nabalu. Wow. Fuyo.
Saw it.
And it's very hot.
Yeah, it's a little bit dark to see our phone.
Yeah, it is. We are currently in Kundasang town. I really want to go down, but Myra is sleeping, so we had to stay in the car. And everybody else is down, out and about. I really wish I could see the vegetables though. I have booked a 2 days, 1 night staycation at Alpine di Bayu. It's somewhere in Masilau. You have the house all for yourself. It's surrounded by a lot of flowers and trees. I'm so looking forward. Maya is gonna be having a lot of fun looking for flowers. Yeah, we're back. Hiya. We are back here at the Masilau Highland Strawberry Farm and Cafe. Pay for what you pick. Well, they're not really in season, so we didn't really want to go in. But yeah, you can actually pick your own strawberries. And it's 7 ringgit per 100 grams. Ada kunci. Yes, let's go. We are here. Oh my god, this place is amazing. It's so beautiful, huh? Yeah. Assalamualaikum. Wow, let's go. So we are at our acacia house in Alpine di Bayu. Everything costs 300 ringgit. Let's give you guys a room tour, house tour. That is the reception. And you just walk and go up the stairs, and you have your sitting area here. It's so cute. Okay, upon entering, mari kita masuk yuk. We have, semak lah rumah ni. Dah boleh sudah bikin. Menyampah. You have sitting area, living room punya area, your dining area sini. Ya Allah. Dapur di sini. Got kitchen. Lepas tu got fridge, mangkuk, gelas, mugs, cutleries. Okay, got broom. A fridge. Oh. Wah, apa ni? The fridge. Then you have your toilet here. Ada ini. And then you have the first bedroom di sini. This is a queen size bed. Okay, it's very romantic, the feel. And then you have your sitting area outside. That is a place where you can barbecue. Yeah. And then you have, yeah, let's show you guys this one. There you go. It's currently raining, but you can do barbecue outside. Let's go. This is, we have 1 floor up here, or 2 bedroom, yeah, 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms house. So this is 300 ringgit. I booked directly from this place WhatsApp. I just text them and just paid and everything. It was very easy, but we wanted to get the 3 house one, but everything was fully booked. Jadi, I guess we're okay with the 2 bedrooms. But yeah, let's continue. Night tangga, you have 1 super single bed di sini, and you have another bedroom here. The 2 double beds, and you can see the view outside. We have a balcony. Let's open the door. Yeah, we're gonna check it out again. Look. Oh my god, this is beautiful. That is the reception booth. Okay, look at it. Look at this view. It's amazing. Let's go down. I'm gonna go downstairs. Yeah, begitulah. So beautiful. Cantik. The rain has stopped a little bit, so we're gonna just walk around. A quick one. Let me bring you guys. Okay, so these are the cabins. Let's see, I think that is cinnamon. I think this is acacia. This is our cabin. Look at how cute it is from the outside. Oh my god, look, it's so adorable. Okay, and then you have, what is this one? This is pine. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And that is willow. These are all 2 bedrooms, and this one is 3 bedrooms. Yeah, I wanted to take this one, but it's occupied, alas. But I mean, this is beautiful. And then you can walk through here, and then your barbecue is on this side. And oh, what is this side? Oh wow, I think the mountain is somewhere there. Oh, there's actually a house up there. Oh wow. Okay, that is cool. And then from here, this is so scary. From here you can actually get to our room. That is our room over there, acacia. This is so cool. So fresh. Wow. This is our cabin, and the reception is just over there. Okay, there's another cabin over there. That one is the, I forgot what it's called, but it's also 3 bedrooms. You won! We were playing hide and seek.
You took a long time to
I did. I totally forgot about you. There's a river here. Isn't it beautiful?
Why is the small bellflower up like that?
I don't know. I think this is the bellflower lah.
Yeah, that looks like a different bellflower.
Yeah, we go on that side. We're walking on that side. We can get the rooms cheaper during weekdays. Your pants are dirty now. Where did you fall? Hiya. We have tom yum soup. Ooh, mushroom. Got chicken. Fish cake. Shabu shabu beef. Oh, vegetables.
Say you're the best at making money, and money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of funny, the people who die to kill for the sun only shining over.
It's open! Good. Sekarang if you want to go to Desa Dairy Farm, you have to buy the ticket online. Jadi senang sikit masuk. So you don't, tersekat di luar basically. They're checking whether we have already bought our ticket or not. Sudah. Thank you. Okay. Hello, morning.
Dapat ka?
Boleh masuk.
Alright.
Terima kasih. Yay. Yes, then we wash our tires, sanitize. Yay! Oh my god, We're in. We are in. So we are back in Desa to get some frozen yogurt. Look at that view behind. Oh my god. I Astaghfirullahaladzim. You can smell cows everywhere. I mean, it is a cow farm lah. Jadi a lot of parkings. So if you guys want to come here, datanglah pukul 8 pagi bila dorang baru buka gate. Please buy your tickets online, okay? Frozen yogurt. There. Tidak barisan. Yesterday the line was like until here and it was raining. People are so crazy. We're gonna get that. Yes. If you want to add topping, it's like 150 cents each. They also have foods like this, pastries, chickens. Your milk station is on this side. Souvenirs. Inside here you have your cafes where they sell all the Swiss rolls. All products are made from the Dessa's milk. And then here, if you want to go see cows and stuff, go down from here. Oh wow, milking viewing bay. 15 packs. It's empty. Oh my god, they're milking the cow. Wow. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, boleh angkat Slynk. Yay! We have achieved our goal, buying frozen yogurt. Takut cair, so we're gonna be fast. Oh, look at that view. Yeah. This is how it looks like in the sun. Look at this place. Oh my god, it's so aesthetic. Hi! Hello! Ada mulberry. Ini saya video ni. Mulberry
Fresh from the
pokok di
balcony.
belakang. Fresh. There's one over there. More snails. Let's go look for mulberry bush. Mari kita tengok. Look, there's a mulberry tree. It's a bush. Oh my god, look. There. There's a mulberry here. Wow, this is so cool. It's just in our backyard, Myra. Dah, let's go. We need to pack. Everything is clean, clear. We're gonna check out at 12. Baru pukul 10. Baru pukul 10.25. Awal juga, so semangat. Look at that. So cute. Off the lights already. Bye-bye, Acacia. Bye home. Mau lajunya? Hello? Wait for me. We're going home already. Bye. Oh my god.